Alright, so here's an example. And the example says find all the rational zeros of the polynomial. Well, so first we have to, here's the polynomial. X cubed plus 3x squared minus 4. Okay, so we're going to say P over Q. So, what are the factors of the constant coefficient? So, what are the factors of negative 4? Well, we're always going to put plus or minus. What are the factors of them? Of 4.
Negative 2 and 2.
So,
Negative
2 plus or minus 2? Plus or minus what?
2.
4 and 1, right? And then in the front, since there's, what's the leading coefficient if there's no number written there? Plus or minus? 1. Okay, now we always want to write these out all the way, so you don't want to be lazy about it. So that's plus or minus 2 over 1, plus or minus 4 over 1, plus or minus 1 over 1, which is 1. That means there's 6 possible zeros. Since this is a third degree, the maximum numbers of zeros I could get are 3. So if I find all 3, then I can stop. You can't get more than that. You might not find all 3 because they might not all be there, but they're for sure not going to be any more than 3. So now we have to test, right? And how did I say we were going to test? Synthetic division, right? So now I'm going to write 1, 3, 0, negative 4. As my coefficients, I put a placeholder for x. Okay, and I'll just start with positive 1. Okay, so I bring down the 1. 1 times 1. Add 4, 4, 4. This works, right? 1 works. So 1 is a 0. If I get one that works, I can make it even easier and use the answer now. If you don't get one that works, you have to restart over. But once you do get one that works, you can start by using the answer. It's less work. So I'm now going to try negative 1. So 1, negative 1, 3, negative 3. That's not going to work, right? So we already tried these two, so we can cross them out. So now instead of negative 1, maybe I'll plug in here 2. So 1, 2, 6, 12, not going to work. Maybe I'll try negative 2. 1, negative 2, 2, negative 4. What do you know? That one works too, right? So I tried these two so I can cancel them out. Now I can go even more and I can use 4, negative 4. I can use the answer because it works. So let me try negative 4 because I've had pretty good luck with the negatives. So 1, negative 4, 2, that's not going to work, right? This is a trick one. Because, what happens if I put negative 2 in again?
It works.
It works twice. What do you think that means? It means that the multiplicity is 2. So it means it touches twice. However, we found all the zeros we could find because we tested all of them, and whichever one gave us a remainder of 0 we used. Does that make sense to you guys so far?
We have to write this.